In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Klaviyo certification. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. Klaviyo is a powerful tool for email marketing and helps businesses engage with their customers effectively. Having a Klaviyo certification can really enhance your credibility in the e-commerce sector, so it's definitely worth pursuing. First off, you'll need to create a Klaviyo account if you don't have one already. Just go to their website and sign up. The process is straightforward, and you can start with a free trial. Once you've set up your account, familiarize yourself with the platform. Klaviyo has a wealth of resources available, including tutorials and documentation that can help you learn the ropes. Next up, I recommend visiting the Klaviyo Academy. This is where you'll find all the educational content you need for the certification test. The Academy offers a range of courses tailored specifically to different aspects of Klaviyo. For the certification, you should focus on the fundamental courses. These will cover essential topics like campaign creation, list segmentation, automation workflows, and performance tracking. As you go through the courses, take notes. This will help you retain the information better. Also, make sure to complete any quizzes or exercises included in the courses. These practical applications will solidify your understanding. After completing the required courses, it's time to explore the Klaviyo Resource Center. This is a fantastic platform with case studies, best practices, and lots of tips from experienced users. You can really benefit from seeing how others have successfully navigated their email marketing efforts. Once you feel confident in your knowledge, it's time to prepare for the certification exam itself. Head back to the Klaviyo Academy and find the certification exam section. Here, you'll find all the guidelines and requirements for taking the test. Make sure to review the exam format and try to find any sample questions that might be available. You can also connect with other students or Klaviyo users through online forums or social media groups. Engaging with a community can provide a support network and other useful resources as you prepare for your exam. When you're ready, schedule your certification exam. Remember, it's a timed test, so be sure to manage your time wisely during the exam. Don't rush, but keep an eye on the clock. After completing the exam, you'll receive your results. If you pass, congratulations! You'll receive your Klaviyo certification, which you can display on your LinkedIn profile or share with potential employers. If you don't pass on the first try, don't be discouraged. Take a moment to review what areas you struggled with and revisit the resources before attempting the exam again. As you continue to use Klaviyo, keep learning. Email marketing is always evolving, and staying updated with Klaviyo's features and best practices will further enhance your skills. So to recap, create a Klaviyo account, go through the courses on Klaviyo Academy, utilize the Resource Center, engage with a community, prepare thoroughly for the exam, and don't hesitate to try again if you need to. And there you have it. That's the step-by-step process to obtaining your Klaviyo certification. I hope you find this information helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Good luck, and see you in the next video.